There is going up. I love this elevator. Alright, 2.
I wonder if these were original.
The shaft does not sound.
No. All right, here we are at 10.
We are standing outside of Lakeline Mall in Austin, Texas, and you're probably wondering why we're here. Well, it's because 10 years ago today, I filmed my very first elevator video here at this mall on July 4th, 2012, and uploaded it to YouTube on the same day. To celebrate the 10th anniversary of my first elevator video, we're coming back to where I started, and we're going to be filming every elevator in this mall, at least every elevator that's available. I hope you enjoy. The first one is the Schindler 400A elevator inside the mall that is glass. This was the first elevator I ever filmed.
Let's go to 2. This is the elevator at Lakeline Mall in Austin, Texas. Coming down?
Oh, wait.
No, okay. This is a Schindler 400A elevator. The very first elevator I ever filmed. We are back at level 1. Now we're going to go back up to 2. And we're going to watch the numbers. The door close button doesn't work. Now we're going to go back down to 1. Again, door closed. Now we're going to get a cab view. This elevator has not changed a bit since I first filmed it in 2012. Sorry about that, guys. We're not going to watch it close up due to the rushes. That's it.
Next up is the men's Dillard store. This store was formerly a Mervyn's until February of 2006. It was converted to Dillard's sometime after.
This is the elevator at Dillard's Men at Lakeline Mall in Austin, Texas. This store was formerly a Mervyn's. Let's go to UL. The door closes when you push the button. Back down to LL. The door closes when you push the button. Go back up to UL, and we'll watch the numbers. Door close button works. Now we'll go back down to LL. And now we're gonna get a cab view. It's a pretty big elevator. These are the fixtures. That's the floor indicator. There's the phone. It's over there. All right, and there it goes. And that is it.
Next up is the women's Dillard store.
This is the elevator at Dillard's Women in Lakeline Mall, Austin, Texas. Interesting old style like button. Yeah. This is definitely a Dover because of the impulse brails and the blue interlocks. Let's go to 2. Door close button doesn't work though. Here we are at 2. Let's go back down to 1. Interesting how the up is red and the down is yellow. Let's get a cab view. It's a pretty nice for a department store. These are the fixtures, floor indicator, phone there, and there it goes, and that is it.
The second floor of the former Sears got converted into an Overstock furniture and mattress store. However, the elevator is still not in commission. So here is a video I filmed of the elevator when it was still Sears in February of 2013.
Is the Cinderella. There's well, we're not. We are LL. Quick cab. Pretty nice elevator. And the phone got pushed in. And it's a nice elevator but the phone got pushed in. There it goes. And that's it.
Next up is Macy's, which was originally Foley's.
This is the elevator at Macy's at Lakeline Mall in Austin, Texas. Oh wow, they fixed the indicator. Let's go to 2. Door close button works. Here are 2. Let's go back down to 1. Door close button works. Now let's get a cab view. Pretty nice elevator. Well, actually no, it's pretty basic actually. But I think the fact that it's a Montgomery Vector is nice because those are pretty rare and you don't really see those anymore. Also that lantern is burned out. Well, it's been taken out. There it goes. And that is it.
Next up is JCPenney.
This is the elevator at JCPenney at Lakeline Mall in Austin, Texas. Let's get a cabin first. 2 of those lights are dimmed out. Let's go back up to 2. Now we'll watch the numbers. it goes. That is it.
And last but not least, AMC Theaters.
Alright, let's go to 1. This is the elevator at AMC Lakeline 9 at the Lakeline Mall in Austin, Texas. Let's go to 2. Now let's get a cab view. Pretty basic elevator. These are the fixtures. That's the floor indicator. The phone is built in. And there it goes. And that is it.
And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can go and check out my first elevator video, and you can check out other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.